What exactly is a function in Python? Functions are reusable blocks of code. Let us find out how they work. A function is defined with the def keyword. It can take inputs called parameters and return outputs. Python also has useful built-in functions. Let us create whatarefunctions.py. First, we use built-in functions, like print, len, and type. Now we define our own function with the def keyword. Calling say hello twice shows how functions are reusable. Functions can take parameters and return values. The add function returns the sum of two numbers. A helper function like is even keeps your code clean and readable. Let us save and review the code with bat. Now let us run the script. Each section shows a different way to use functions in Python. Let us recap. Functions are defined with def and are reusable blocks of code. Return values let functions give back results. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python answers. Check out the next episode in the series.